The TikTok creativity program has been causing a sensation online, with individuals reportedly earning over $10,000 in their first month. It's arguably one of the most lucrative ways to make money on the internet right now. However, before you get too excited, there's a catch. The program is currently only available in major countries like the US, UK, and France. This means that unless you reside in one of these countries, you won't be able to join. But don't worry, because today is your lucky day. I can't believe I'm revealing this so early, but I've discovered a method to bypass the geographical restrictions. A friend of mine has devised a technique to legitimately create TikTok accounts that are eligible to join the creativity program, regardless of your location. This means that you too can start earning money online. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to potentially become a millionaire through TikTok. Just to establish credibility, I've personally started 3 new TikTok accounts this month alone. Now let's dive into how you can join the TikTok creativity program from anywhere. How to join TikTok creativity program from anywhere. Welcome to the tutorial, and I will guide you through 4 chapters on launching your first profitable monetized TikTok account from start to finish. All right, let's begin our adventure with the first chapter, preparing yourself for profit by setting up your US TikTok account. Without a US TikTok account, you're simply wasting your time because you won't be able to join the creativity program and earn money. This step is crucial. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure that your account appears to be based in the US. Once you've set up your account, choose a profile picture and customize your account according to your interests. In the next chapter, we'll explore some trending niches to help you decide on a direction. If you haven't chosen your niche yet, keep watching for some insights. A quick tip: you can use Midjourney to generate a unique and visually appealing profile picture in just 1 minute. Congratulations on creating your first TikTok account. You're off to a great start as an apprentice. Now let's proceed to selecting a profitable niche. How to choose a profitable niche. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to choose your path to success. Peter will share 6 of the best niches that are reportedly earning creators over $150,000 each month, with videos receiving around 15 million views. It's important to listen carefully because TikTok's creativity program doesn't accept everyone. Many creators misrepresent this aspect. You won't get monetized by re-uploading podcast clips or streamer content, since TikTok only accepts original content. The criteria for originality may be somewhat ambiguous, but one thing's for sure: podcast clips won't take you far, and if they do, they'll likely be demonetized later on. Peter will now reveal the perfect niche formula. Firstly, your videos should appeal to a broad yet specific audience, focusing on attracting viewers from the US or other first world countries to increase your earnings per 1,000 views. Secondly, choose a niche that allows for easy video production while maintaining a high perceived value. This will enable you to scale your operation quickly, as these videos can be automated with AI. Feel free to share your niche in the comments, and I might create a video on how to automate content in that niche. Lastly, stick with proven concepts to save time. I recommend selecting a niche with some accounts experiencing significant growth but not oversaturated with similar content. For instance, Reddit stories have garnered immense popularity on TikTok, presenting a viable option. Remember, choosing the right niche is crucial and requires careful consideration. Now, let's move on to creating your first viral video. Creating TikToks with AI. In this section, I'll demonstrate how to leverage AI to produce high-quality Reddit story videos quickly. Begin by heading over to ChatGPT and pasting the provided prompt from the description. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to generate a creepypasta story from a specific perspective. Once you have the generated story, proceed to 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. I recommend using 11 Labs for its high-quality voice, which TikTok values. Alternatively, you can use free voiceover software. On the 11 Labs website, browse the voice library and select a voice that suits your preference. Paste your script, download the voiceover, and you're ready to proceed. Next, select a video to accompany your story. Opt for content like Minecraft parkour or GTA 5 gameplay, known to generate millions of views. Search YouTube for high-quality videos and download them using a suitable website, or access the provided Google Drive folder for pre-selected animated clips. Additionally, find eerie background music on YouTube to enhance the atmosphere of your video. Now that you have all the necessary content, use CapCut, a free online video editing tool, to assemble your video. Choose the TikTok video format and upload your content, including the gameplay, voiceover, and music. Utilize the auto caption feature to generate accurate captions automatically. Customize the style of captions to match the tone of your video. Ensure to remove any unnecessary sounds from the gameplay and adjust the music volume for optimal effect. Don't forget to include the original Reddit comment at the beginning of the video for authenticity. Drag the provided template onto your timeline and overlay it on the gameplay. Write a captivating hook related to your video's theme to engage viewers further. If needed, use ChatGPT to generate additional hooks based on your script. It's essential to ensure that the text and Reddit comment disappear simultaneously for a polished final product. By following these steps, you should have a video similar to the example provided. Now, let's discuss how to maximize your video's potential for virality. How to go viral. Let's not leave our viewers hanging. Here's how you can truly go viral. Avoid certain actions that could sabotage the algorithm and hinder your chances of achieving virality. Remember, if you compromise the algorithm on one account, you may need to start afresh, which isn't ideal. In the next chapter, we'll delve into optimizing your videos with 3 little-known tips that could propel your account to new heights, potentially garnering hundreds of thousands or even millions of views regularly. However, be aware that the 3rd tip may be patched soon, so take advantage of it while you can. Peter, would you care to explain the 1st tip? Certainly. The 1st tip involves maintaining a consistent upload schedule. Given that we're dealing with AI-generated content, uploading frequently is key to avoiding suspicion from the algorithm. Aim to space out your uploads by at least 1 hour to prevent the algorithm from flagging your activity as unusual. This steady cadence will help maintain the organic growth of your account. Another tip is to add a compelling twist to the end of your videos. You may have noticed that many successful TikTok videos end with a call to action, such as asking viewers to comment or share. Incorporate a similar strategy into your videos, tailoring it to fit the narrative of your content. Pose thought-provoking questions or encourage engagement to boost viewer interaction. This small detail can significantly enhance your video's engagement metrics. Now, on to the final tip, which involves leveraging TikTok's creator feature to manipulate the algorithm in your favor. By creating a series of videos, you can effectively promote your content and increase its visibility. TikTok's algorithm prioritizes content that contributes to a series, making it more likely to be pushed to a wider audience. While this strategy isn't officially confirmed, discussions with experts suggest that TikTok favors content that follows a series format. Before we conclude, I invite you to share your thoughts on seizing this opportunity to make money. With that, I encourage you to take action and embark on your journey to TikTok success. Remember, the opportunities are limitless, and with the right strategies in place, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you thrive on TikTok.